Why would you say that? Why would you say that? Why would you not give me 1,000 subs? Why would you not send me $10 million? Why wouldn't you send me $10 million? Why? I have a love face?
Your fucking money!
Trump, that was not a cue. That was not a cue. Thank you for the other 5. Well, thanks, Shrum. Wow. Shrum did that for me? For me? Oh my god. Wow. I can hypnotize. I can hypnotize. Ooh. You're hypnotized. Oh my god, Odie got one. Yo, Spoopy, hi. Hi. I have this. Oh, wrong one. I have this one. I have the disgust. Don't worry about the other face. Don't worry about the other face. That was the wrong button. I got sunglasses. That emote. The sunglasses emote as well. I got, tongue jiggle physics. Tongue jiggle physics. Yeah. Keep this too. Okay, watch the boob physic. The arm is gonna move the boob. Look at that. It interacts with itself. Yeah. I can do steps. I can do steps. I can even do squats. Wait, do a squat. There you go. Look at that. Whoa. The squats. What's the reflection? The inside of my testicles. The inside of my ball sack. That's the ball sack domain. That's the ball sack domain. Yeah. It lives inside my balls. Yeah. You have a lot of light in your balls. Yeah, I've heard that. I've heard that. Yeah. You know, it's cause whenever I bust, it really lights up the life of the person I bust on. You know, gotta keep lights in your balls so you can light up the life of the people you bust in. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, write that down, yeah. That's important stuff. Leave your wise words anytime. Anytime, baby girl. I got you. You don't think I would lead you astray, do you? Kill Lamparette, hello. How you doing? Mono, thank you. Thank you. Love the face stars? They're for how many times I gooned today. I have 1 star face tattoo per time I've gooned today. Yeah. You look so soft. What does that mean? I don't even know what that means. I thought you said I'm not a gooner? I'm not a gooner. Listen, you can goon and not be a gooner. My life is a lie. There's no lie. There's no gooning and bossing, say. Only 4 times rookie numbers. Listen, I had a problem when I was younger. Okay? You don't want to know what my record is. You don't want to know what the record is. The 3D looks so good and smooth. Thank you. I put a lot into this, dude. Like, unironically. You do? Listen, I'll tell you. I'll tell you in the Blue Twitch stream. When Blue Twitch stream happens, I'll tell you there. Not here. Not here. What am I doing with this fucking chicken? What am I doing with the chicken? Yeah. I get ice roast instant coffee. Oh my god, I could go for a coffee. Should I go for a third monster? I feel like I should get a third monster. If you hit it enough, you become the chicken. I know that's not true. Juge, go pee. It's not good to hold in your pace. It's really bad, actually. It's really bad. Oh! Thanks for rubbing my cheeks. It's your debut stream. I'll understand if you want a third monster. Third monster, that is crazy. Not just that, I also have had